think what this building, and I hope the artwork, projects is actually a sense of openness and a sense of excitement and a sense of variety. The naming of the work became fairly obvious. The paths of many sort of hold some of the essentials of the work. One, that it's made out of many units, and there are quite a few units. Plus, you know, a path signifies that it's going in one direction, or possibly several actually with this work. It's about that combination of the individual, many individuals forming a whole. Yeah, so the paths of many, I guess, was a way of linking those two ideas together.
Certainly the artwork we've got here is very unusual. It's not so much heavy, but very awkward. So trying to lift that piece of artwork into position without damaging the artwork. And certainly working with the artist on the day to secure it in position. So it's it's interesting to work with artists, but again, rewarding, and especially when you find out what the art represents as well, and being suspended above the library is just, it's fantastic.
The artwork was a challenge actually. We worked with Stuart Green, the artist. Beautiful artwork. It was large, it was huge. It weighed a lot. So in terms of the structure, from the early days, we had to design the building to structurally be able to support the artwork. And Stuart had to design his artwork in a way that it broke down into pieces to get it into the building. And then they had to design a specific framework so we could integrate his support mechanisms with the building itself. So there's a lot of complexity that goes around those sorts of things, and coordination.
This was a work that you know, it was suspended, it was very large and had to, you know, bridge across quite a space. It had to work in with the architecture as well. It's a public installation that has a longevity to it. So it's not like an exhibition. It's not something that you see once and then you kind of go, I've got that, great, I've enjoyed that, good, I don't need to see it again. Public art is there, and it's there the next time you come and visit, and it's there the next time you come and visit. So it's important that it has some level of complexity, some level of intrigue, and mystery is probably too strong a word, but you know, it has something that allows you to see it in different ways every time. And certainly the nature of these squares being a random assortment means that, you know, there are literally, you know, millions of different views and, you know, different formations all the way through, depending on which way you look at it.